The most commonly asked question that we get from our customers is, how much does solar cost? As much as I like to throw a flat number out there for you, it's very difficult to do so, simply being the fact that solar is not a one size fits all. It is catered specifically to your budget. Now, what I can say is that your out-of-pocket cost on a month-to-month basis in comparison to what you already spent to your utility company is always equal to or less than what you're already spending. So you're not having to budget for solar, you're not having to spend more for solar. It's more of just a transition and a reallocation of the dollars you're currently spending to your utility now to a fixed and lower payment with solar. Same concept as going from renting a home to owning a mortgage, right? When we rent a home, we're continuing to throw money into a black hole with rate increases and we never see anything in return. So we decide to invest in a mortgage where it is a fixed payment, a lower payment than what we would be paying in relation to rent, and we get equity built when we decide to sell the home. Same concept here when it comes to solar. When you invest in solar, you're no longer renting from the utility company and you're just reallocating those funds to your investment with solar at a lower fixed payment, and you get your equity back in return when you decide to sell the home. Now, with that being said, if you are more interested in knowing about the cost of solar for your home or the benefits of solar for you, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help to give you a more specific quote and a more better idea of how solar could fit for your home.